Hello friends! Today's video is gonna be a bit different because my childish side is showing off. I have bought Lego. I've bought the kits for one of my future projects and I need only the two characters. This kit is rated 4+, but I'm curious how much time it will take me to assemble it. So put the timer and let's go! Alright, let's first open the package and see what's inside. You have instruction. I will skip it because I'm in hurry. Oh, look, the chassis of the car. I don't need that. The chassis of the car is not packaged, but only the small parts. So I'm gonna open them and oh, one head there and all the parts are on the table. Go off. So first I have one body, a helmet, a head, okay, let's separate them. Second body, second head, a cap and hair. Probably these faces, oh no, they are not the same. One is smiley and one have glasses. So the bodies are absolutely the same, so I don't care which head on which body will go. But the head without glasses must have a helmet. I'll put in. Alright, and the head with glasses must have a hat and hair. Oh, probably it's woman. The manager of the team, of the racing team, is a woman. Okay, now we have a jack stand. Here is a hammer. Its place must be in the jack stand. Here is a cup, which I don't know where should go. Let's put this here. We have, oh, it's real rubber. The tires are from real rubber. Okay, I got 4 tires and 4 rims. Let's put them together. Which side? I think it doesn't matter. Tire and wheel, okay. Second tire and wheel are fine. Third and fourth tire and wheel. We got 4 tires and wheels. Now I think we can directly put them on the chassis. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we got chassis with wheels. Okay, it's so low chassis. The center of gravity have to be very, very low. Now we got visor for the helmet. Oh my god, this is insane. We got visor on the helmet, a little detail, but so important. And we have legs. The white legs are for the pilot because his suit is white, and the manager can have a green pants, Okay, so we have them, the pilot and the manager. We have second visor. I don't know where it goes, but I'll keep it here. And now we have to assemble a car. This is the dashboard. I'm not sure the camera can focus so close, but I'm gonna show you. Here is a wrench. It have to be right here next to the hammer. And now I have to assemble a car without instructions. Probably this is one of the sides and this is the other. So I'll put this to both of the sides. This looks like the nose of the car, but I'm not sure. It fits. Okay, it fits. This is a stoplight. No. This is not the nose of the car, but we can mirror the chassis and it doesn't matter which one is the front and which one is the rear. You can see right here. So I'm gonna put the nose of the car right there. The steering wheel probably have to be low because it's a racing car. And go there. I don't know where this part is, but we have these induction tubes or throttle bodies. I don't know the right word. I don't know how they call them, but these probably have to stay like that. I have so many parts that probably I have to see the picture of the car. Alright, here is the picture of the car. And this is the visor. The visor goes right here. Oh, now I can understand. This part goes here. You can see clearly on the picture. Right beneath the nose of the car. So I can say we have assembled front. And now we have the jack on one of these. The jack goes here and it stays in place. Okay. These two parts makes the base where the cup stays. You can clearly see. Okay, we have a cup. We have team manager and mechanic, and we have a pilot. We have a jack stand. Now, where are the missing parts? The things start going difficult. This one, this part, the orange one, connects the throttle bodies like that. So we have three throttle bodies. The spoiler connects here, and probably you can change the aerodynamic angle of the car. Interesting. Active aerodynamics. Alright. Oh, I see. You can see on this picture the dashboard stays in front of the steering wheel. So it's here, ready. Alright. Now, where stay the other parts? On this picture is a little hint, and this yellow part stays here, but where these white ones go? Let me see the front of the package. Nothing. Oh, I see them. They are right here. So they stay like that. They form the cockpit and are part of the chassis. This one, Alright. We don't have a fine place for this one. It can be a spare part, so I will put here, and probably the other visor is also a spare part right there. We can put this blue part. Oh, I can see on this picture this blue part goes right here. Interesting. We have the stoplight at the back. But where these parts, this is probably a spare part right there. Where these parts go? I have absolutely no idea. If we assemble the throttle bodies right there, Oh, I can see now. When we assemble the throttle bodies, we have this opening and we have to fill it with something, and this is the part we use to fill it. But we must put this white part below, right here. No, it's not here. Oh, I know where this part goes now. This one goes here to fill this space. This one below, excuse me, not below, over it. And the blue part goes here, and over them are the throttle bodies. So now we have the car. Oh yeah. In fact, the box says that the driver is with the green legs or pants and the mechanic with white, but it's counterintuitive. The mechanic have white pants, and white pants for the driver are best because if there is something wrong you can see by color right now. So let's put the driver right here, and he is driving right now. Alright, get out and stop the timer. So that's it for today's video. Please, if you have the same package of Lego, tell me how much time it cost to you to assemble it. Don't forget your childhood.